Good morning, everyone.
All right, welcome back. It's the final round.
Yay! And we have Smith and Valley 1, Team 1, and we have Canyon Middle School playing today. I think we need to let them have a shout out. What do y'all think?
Canyon Middle, can we hear you? Can you give us a cheer, Canyon Middle? Okay, awesome.
Can you hear me now?
Smith and Valley, can you hear us?
Yay!
Good. Smith and Valley can hear. Canyon, can you hear us yet?
That I'm getting Canyon Middle that they can hear.
Yes, we got
I think we're having.
Big cheer, Canyon Middle, if you can
I
hear
can
us.
hear the other campus.
Okay, stand by, guys. Let me give them a call. It's Melanie.
Well, Smith
Thanks,
and Valley,
Melanie.
hang tight. I think we're having some technical difficulty, so give us a few minutes.
Oh no, that's a minute delay.
Yes, it's a minute delay on the web.
That's right.
It's looping.
Canyon Middle School, if you can hear us, give us a big cheer. I got nothing. Looks like Smith and Valley's ready to go over there. Yep.
Oh, I'm behind.
Yeah, looks like it's sitting there waiting for us.
Test 1, 2, test.
Test.
Testing, 1, 2.
Canyon Middle School, if you can hear us, give us a shout out.
Smith and Valley. Jessica?
Smith and Valley, if you can hear us, give us a shout out.
I can't hear Renee or Shelly.
Right. We can't hear Shelly, Josh, and Renee, but we can hear Jennifer.
Jennifer's great.
Hey, Jen.
Are we muted?
Mic check.
Who can hear us? Canyon Middle?
Raise your hand if you can hear.
Viewers, we are having technical difficulties. Please stand by as we figure out the issue. Thanks. Done golfing in college and gotten a scholarship for that, and still be doing it. That'd be fun.
All right, give us a thumbs up if you can hear us. Peter, I think you can hear us. Can you hear us? Please stand by. Okay. All right. Yeah.
This should be put on YouTube. This is one of our friends' websites that puts that on YouTube. So she's sitting on the bed with his phone using remote control.
So that he can watch sports now?
So that he can get his priorities in line.
With his forehead.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. His eyesight.
Yeah, he's gonna watch with his glasses.
Oh, big magic. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. You can hear us. Mic check, check.
Mic check, check, check. 1, 2, 3.
5, 4, 3. Jennifer, Canyon, can you hear Smith and Valley? Canyon cannot hear Super Red.
Neither can Canyon.
Neither can hear Super Red. But Canyon can hear Super Red.
Does Smith and Valley hear Canyon?
Yes.
We can hear each other, but not.
Making the little butterfly thing.
And then white noise and feedback. White noise and feedback.
That's what they asked.
Tell the name of my band and time.
White noise. Feedback. I mean, women.
Check, check. Copy, Nathan?
Check, check.
Candy just turned it on. I don't know.
Check, check.
Can you hear us now?
Thumbs up if anyone can hear us.
Woo!
Oh, we got both of them. Woo!
Say hi, Eric.
Okay, here we go.
Who cares?
We have to restart.
We have to restart.
Oh,
We were getting ready to start when they said we were going to start earlier.
well, in that case.
All right, let's try this again. Welcome to the final round, everyone.
I think we're ready to get going. Smith and Valley, let's verify. Can you hear us? Give us a cheer, Smith and Valley. Wave your hands in the air. Very
Yay.
good.
Hi.
All right, Canyon Middle School, we know you've been working your chant, so let's see it and let's hear it. We are just going to quickly skim through the rules and the process for today. It's the same as the other days that we've been doing this. Again, there's 3 rounds. First round is 40 questions, with 1 point apiece.
The second round will be 35 questions worth 2 points.
And the last round will be worth 3 points apiece.
And there's 30 questions in that one.
And there's 30 questions.
And you remember that we cannot have cell phones, so if you have a cell phone on you, please make sure it's turned off and put away in a backpack away from the table. You can use the utensils around you, the calculators and so forth, the scratch paper.
Formula charts, anything like that you might have.
And each round is 10 minutes. And when you are ready with round 1, we'll wait for a thumbs up. We've got CMS ready to roll. We'll wait for those questions at Smith and Valley to.
Very good.
There you go.
Okay.
Can we go ahead?
10 minutes on the clock. All right. You may begin.
Good luck, everyone.
Students, this is your 5-minute warning.
Students, this is your 1-minute warning.
Five,
4,
3.
2.
1.
All right,
All right.
students, pencils down.
All right.
Turn in those answer documents and clean up your area and just get ready for round 2. I think we have some introductions to make while we're waiting on round 2.
Yeah, we have Smithson Valley Middle School. We have their algebra teachers. I'm not sure if they're both there, but we have Miss Parma and Miss Brown. Are you guys there?
There they
There's
are.
Miss Parma and there's Miss Brown. Yay!
Yay!
Okay. And we also have their instructional facilitator, Miss Powell, helping out.
There she is.
There she is.
Yay!
At Canyon Middle School, I see Miss Guerrero, I believe. Yay, there she is. And we have Miss Hester. Very good. All righty.
Let's just get ready for round 2. So once everything's cleared off from round 1, we'll look for the thumbs up.
Or thumbs down.
Still looks like they're kind of cleaning up the old question set.
Okay.
And it looks like Smithson Valley's getting into place.
Okay.
All right. 10 minutes on the clock. And away we go. Good luck, everyone.
Good luck.
Students, you have 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes.
Students, this is your 1 minute warning. You have 1 minute.
Five,
4,
3,
2,
1.
All right, students, pencils down, answer document to the instructional facilitator. Get ready for round 3.
And I think we have the scores from round 1 if we want to take a look at those.
Ooh, still a close game. I believe round 2, the questions they just turned in are worth 2 points.
Correct.
Anything can happen for round 3, so get ready for round 3. We'll start as soon as we get a thumbs up from our individuals with the envelopes.
Now remember, round 3 is worth 3 points apiece. And we saw yesterday, games change.
We saw multiple comebacks yesterday.
Yes, we did.
Okay, are we ready for thumbs up for round 3? Smith and Valley, are you ready? Okay.
There it is. There's the thumbs up.
There we go.
All right, 10 minutes on the clock.
And you may begin. Good luck.
Students, you have 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes.
Students, this is your 1 minute warning. You have 1 minute.
Five, 3,
2,
1.
Put your pencils down. Turn in that final round for scoring.
All right, that's it.
That is it. We're just going to wait for scores. And while we do that, I believe we have scores from round 2. There they are. Ooh,
Wow.
It's a flipped game. Again, the round 3 questions are worth 3 points.
That's right, so it's still anyone's game.
Anyone's game. And we do have.
This is the Algebra Bowl trophy, which has spent the last 2 years at Canyon Middle School. But whichever team wins today will get to keep it for the next year.
And I believe it's been housed at Canyon Middle School for the last 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. And I believe the first winners were Smithson Valley Middle School.
Right.
So who knows where it will be. Yesterday I had a conversation with a few folks, and they don't believe that this set back here is fake. All of what you see, except for us, is a fake set. And so we took a picture yesterday to prove where we actually, or show where we actually sit, so you can see the difference with the green screen. And I'm still kind of hanging out there. So that's what our set actually looks like without the green screen, technologies applied to it.
And we couldn't do that with all of these people helping us.
Absolutely. We have a big crew assisting us, not only our crew in here, but our crew behind the scenes in other rooms and at the campuses. So let's introduce a few of those.
All right, we have Brian Behrens with us here in the back. And we've got Marie Paulus.
Hi.
There's their voices.
And then kind of out of the room, we've got a couple of people helping. Jarrett Cochran has been a lot of help for us this week, along with Sean McGee, who handles our website and makes sure that we're streaming live.
And we also have Melanie Gonzalez. I keep hearing this thing about the bridge. I need to understand that a little more, but she does bridge us basically to the campuses. So she's critical. And of course our instructional facilitators that are on the campuses as well that hook the polycoms up. Oh, I just saw the green screen. So as we wait for scores, we also want to remind you again, I know we've talked about it already, but we do have the 4-day weekend coming up, and we haven't used the bad weather day, but I heard there's pretty bad weather coming tonight. So hopefully we won't have that issue.
Okay, great.
I see a thumbs up, which means?
That means scores are in.
Let's get a drum roll. I see the drum roll.
Oh!
Whoa! It flipped again. Congratulations, CMS. You are our final winners.
Wow.
Champions again, 3-time champions, Canyon Middle School.
3-time champion. This trophy will make its way to you at some point, I'm sure, in the near future. For now, I'm Shelley.
I'm Josh.
And I'm Renee. Have a great day.
Congratulations.